This is CSX property here. And there's a train doing some shunting in the yard down there.
This locomotive, Chesapeake Ohio number 7534, is an EMD SD40 built in 1971 for the Chesapeake Ohio. This fairly more modern addition to preservation is quite the locomotive and is in great shape.
Still an active railroad yard out there. So that's the control tower, 614, and the other diesel number 5828. This is the old passenger depot. And the freight depot's the brick building over there, and they have a little 7.5-inch gauge railway. And that's an active freight yard still. 1948 Lima Locomotive Works, the last 484 built in North America for U.S. Railroad. Oh, I wish they could get this operating one of these days. Greenbrier Presidential Express. Nice cosmetic restoration, and oh, this is a beauty of an engine. It's just 2 years older than 611. This was temporarily renumbered 611 before scrapping, before putting the scrap line and retired. Here's the tender where all the coal is, and the automatic stoker, and they have all the spare parts for the engine in here, which is nice to see. Or the extra parts. And oh boy, what a backhead to the firebox. It's all insulated here. Hi, Dad.
Hi. I can't even see.
Yeah, visibility for a steam engine is difficult.
Terrible.
This is the fireman's side. Over there is the engineer.
Now it's time, as what's becoming more of a staple of my channel, to take a ride in miniature. This museum has a small circuit of track, but I find it just enough to give a nice ride. They do 2 laps around the freight depot and next to some of their large and full-scale equipment.
Nice. Oh, the turbine.
Now, let's take a look inside the restored 1895 freight depot, where they have a lot more displays.
They have a nice O-gauge train layout here, as well as some beautiful live steam models, as well as all the Chesapeake and Ohio artifacts, memorabilia. This is a great Chesapeake and Ohio Greenbrier 484, not a Northern, but a Greenbrier in scale. This looks like 1-inch scale. And then
So we have a model of the Allegheny, a model of the 614.
7.5-inch gauge model of an Allegheny. Propane fired. Very nice layout in the middle here, with a lot of various photos and memorabilia. There's a Chesapeake and Ohio Mikado in 1/8 scale, without the tender though. Then what looks like a 3/4 inch scale Pacific. I think this is 3/4. I need a measuring tape for the gauge. And another 1-inch scale Hudson 463. If you have time, please do visit this place in your travels. And as always, thank you so much for watching. This is Nate's Vintage Trains. Keep it old school, and God bless you all.